Daniela, what you working on?
Working on sea turtle. I was in Greece this summer. I've got a gallery there. So I saw a sea turtle. I saw a couple swimming, and I saw one that was washed up onto shore because apparently a boat had gotten its back and it was hit by a propeller. The turtle was there, and actually the head was really like a skeleton. I guess the fish had gotten to it, and I was quite intrigued by the beak. So these three turtles have really like a beak that's like a parrot, which I kind of had seen before, but I saw it really in front of me right there in the sea. I was really thinking about the sea turtle and about how the sea turtle actually, all turtles, carry their home with them. So for protection and for, all its organs are stored there. So it's its whole body, the hard shell, and then it's got these vulnerable parts which can go fit inside the house. So all these vulnerable parts, like these paddles, the arms and the feet, and of course the head, which can retract back in. And of course at the very end, there's this sharp beak, which was super interesting to see. So I'm just sketching around here. I keep coming also to this very interesting space that a turtle has. So the shell itself. So I mean, this is its home. I think the turtle is also this power animal, that their inner self is right with them, right there as their home. That's what I was thinking about. That's what I'm sketching out. And this is going to be a sculpture that is going to be for Greece, right by the beach in the gallery that I am exhibiting in.